Hi, Bean Beauties. Welcome in. Welcome in. We are on episode number 2. We are starting the series of online shopping on Ship. We are going to share 4 items with you today as far as what I purchased online. I placed 2 separate orders, and so I'm going to try to um, let you know which orders what came in, and we're going to celebrate that together and also go over some strategies or hiccups that came along the way. So if you're ready for that, then I would appreciate it if you come on back. Well, yeah, I guess all of this except for one box is online shopping because I think they put everything from one box from Puerto Rico in one box. Yeah, okay, so that'll make it easy. Oh, and I wrote myself a note. Online shopping. All right, so let me tell you how it went. A couple of days before we actually left, a good friend of mine, she asked me if I realized that Coach was coming out with the Denim Drop again. And I was like, yeah, I kind of heard something, but, you know, I was so busy trying to pack and get ready. I didn't even, like, really pay too much attention to it because I just figured I was going to miss it. And sure enough, it was going to be when I was gone. So I'll show you the red first. This is new. This is a new product that I'm aware of since I've been following Coach, which is 2023, 2024, 2025. Now we're in 2026. I have not seen any red items like this. If they were some, I missed it and I didn't see it. Because, you know, you blink. You think you're going to get away with it. The next drop's there and you miss it all. So here is the regular wristlet, the small wristlet, the front, the side, the back, the other side, the bottom. And this is made with, it says the shell of the Coach piece contains cotton sourced from farms that use regenerative agriculture practices. Crafted to last in our signature jacquard, it captures our love for reimagining house codes in thoughtful new ways. What could be more iconic than that? So as far as the material is concerned, this feels very, very hardy. It feels substantial to me. And the inside is the normal inside that Coach Outlet has. And inside there, it's a textured, it's not a silk. It's probably a poly blend. But I haven't had any problems, and I rotate my wristlets, but I also do stuff them pretty well. But I saw the red, and of course, y'all, I had to have a little something for the red. The bags that they produced in the red, I wasn't like 100 times interested. I was curious about the Faye, but not enough to where I was gonna really hunt it down on the website. The problem that I had with shopping online from the cruise ship is the Wi-Fi was horrible. We cruised for the first time on Norwegian. We cruised out of Galveston, and it was the Norwegian Viva. So on the 28th, we were on a sea day, and the Wi-Fi, it depends on which Wi-Fi you buy. We had the bottom tier at that time Wi-Fi, but I did have the AT&T that I purchased, the AT&T at sea, but I could only access that in certain areas of the ship, and my cabin wasn't one of them. I couldn't connect to AT&T if I was in my cabin. And usually when I was on my phone trying to do anything, trying to check back at home with the family, trying to shop online, I was in the cabin trying to rest. Or we were a section where they have the vibe. I showed y'all some pictures, and I'll put some at the front. My husband had purchased us a cabana, and we had a cabana through our trip there. the area that we were in, it was a private area. There were no children allowed. And where we like to sit, we were closer to the ship, and we were kind of in a dead spot. So wherever the strongest part was, which was a little bit further out, there wasn't a bed or recliners. It was the tables and chairs. So it was the Wi-Fi was a little hard and disconcerting. I tried to disconnect, but it was freezing in our hometown. You know, you're thousands and thousands and thousands of miles away. There's not easily to get there. And if you can't connect, it's stressful. So at that time, I still didn't have, I don't believe, the premium Wi-Fi. I did eventually get the premium Wi-Fi because my husband said you need, just forget it, just get it. That helped a lot, but I bounced between the 3 Wi-Fis in order to connect. And I'm going to have a separate video at some time. It may not be, you know, this month, and maybe next month, where I'm going to talk a little bit more in depth about the trip itself. But I wanted to talk about that because if you're on a cruise and you're shopping for a drop, the Wi-Fi you have to consider is going to be a little bit difficult. So make sure that you're either out on deck, or make sure that you are in the hallway, or you're somewhere where you can get the signal easily. I did go on our balcony, and if I went over to the way in the corner, I kind of had my phone. That's how I did it. That's how I did it. But it would clock in between. That's how much I wanted these pieces. I saw this pop up, and you know, online, you know, you always do the online. You're going, there's 2 different kinds. I'll try, if they still have it on the website, I'll try to put what the other one is. It's the darker denim. That one was a little bit too for me, but I did like this one. I felt that this one would fit in the collection a little bit better. And it is more of a white, a lighter denim. I like the dark denim, but I also like contrast in my bags. I also felt like the red would go great again in any of those. I did get this. I was super excited about this. I have just one other one of these. I don't use it. Why don't I use it? I don't know, because I'm crazy. Because I'm crazy. I saw this one. I wanted to get it, and it is the pencil case. So this is like the lighter denim. Like I said, I'm more drawn to the darker denim, but you know, I wasn't hating this, and I liked it. And oh, look at that. It's just so cute. So I thought that this might be a little bit easier. Oh, cause I have the cherry one from 2024, and it's a little bit hard, and so it was not very pliable. The canvas was really thick, and so it was really hard for me to just make it comfortable. But which is okay, because I believe in cost per look, so I look at it all the time. And I put little things in it to hold the stuff, so it doesn't go completely unused. I did put makeup brushes in it one time. I put pens in it one time. But oh, very, very well. I'm trying to think, that I buy that one on, no, I bought that one on eBay, so I never saw how it all came packaged. They put in the little canoe boat here, they put a little inside. I don't know if they do it to all, but they did it with this one. And the inside has, oh, the lining on this is very, very nice. I would say that it was leather, because that's what it feels like. I don't know. I have to see, and I'll try to put information. But it's very, very nice on the inside. Very nice. Love how they did this. The packaging, I mean, everything is in factory wrap that I've opened up so far. So that has gone great. My only gripe is these awful bags. The awful bags. That they love to put these in. I'm sure they're cost efficient for them. They're just headache and a pain in the butt for all of us. So, okay, let's go to the next thing. I really like this. All right. I need to put stuff to where y'all can see it and not just... Can y'all see it there? Yes, you can. And let's move my little Murakami perfume. Okay. I have one more thing from ordering online. I ordered all of these at the same time, but they came in 3 different packaging. So if they're trying to be resourceful and stuff, sourceful or sustainable, that's one of my things, is that they should try to keep it all, you know, together. But I guess like in this case though, they pulled it from a store, obviously. It doesn't say which store. This one came from Tannersville, Pennsylvania. So they wrapped it up with tissue, and the outlet is doing that now. I don't know if the retail's doing that, but they'll wrap up your items in tissue. They did that when I went to the outlet in San Marcos, and everything was wrapped in tissue. So that was very nice, because then, you know, you at least have some presentation if you're doing a channel. And it's if you're giving it as a gift or something, you know, they have some tissue to put it in, because they do in the stores, because of room and capacity and all that kind of stuff, they open everything up. So I would stock days are crazy. So I got this, the card case. Y'all know, if you watch my channel for any length of time, I love my card cases. I do plan on doing this year sometime my favorite Coach SLGs, or my favorite SLGs of all times. It's a request video by, I think, Megan Lux, her channel. I'll put a picture up of her channel, or whoever the person was that requested it, but I'm pretty sure it was Megan. I like my card cases because I need my medical information handy at all the time. So it is really nice to have one of these. And I like it when it has a window too, because it makes it easier to have the prominent card, whether it's my ID, the insurance card itself, right there, easy for people to see. So, and it goes, yeah, it pairs perfectly with the wristlet, like that one. Okay. Hi, Beanbeauties. Did you like those items? Yes, you should have seen 4 items today. You would have seen the red canvas wristlet. You would have seen the denim canvas wristlet, the denim pencil case, surprise, surprise, and the red canvas card case. So next episode, I'm going to go over a few strategies of what I kind of focused on when I was coming to these particular drops, these particular orders when the drop came in. So don't forget to show up for the next episode, because it's episode number 3, but the second part of online shopping while on the cruise ship. So if you want to see what else I bought, then you're going to have to come back for the next episode. Alrighty, Beanbeauties, don't forget, like, hype, subscribe, help me get to 2K. Love y'all so much. Bye-bye.